What's up, everybody? We are doing a 4-box Prizm. Good luck, everybody. Prizm and no Huddle. Man, a Monopoly is awesome. It's not just a Monopoly. Origins in it, Revolution, Elite, Donruss, and I think Prizm Choice, Collegiate. I didn't know that it'll be this hard to fill a mini. To be honest, normally they fill pretty quick. Today just one of those days. You never. All right, Brees Hall, Jerome Ford, Black and White Christian Watson, Packers, Aaron Rodgers, Packer no more, Tyreek Hill, and we got Lawrence Taylor out of 79, Giants. Matt Corral, Joey Bosa, Allen Robinson, Treylon Burks, 79, Jeremy Ruckerts. Khalil Herbert, Jalen Waddle, Tyler Papa dropping and Lockett. The autograph should be coming up. There it is. J.I. Dotson, Washington, Dotson, Mr. Hoffmeister. Zippy Zappy, Chris Jones, Travis Kelce, Melvin Gordon, and Demario Davis out of 50. Okay, box one. That's after this. We delayed a little bit due to some non-payments and earlier breaks. Bowman's gonna break right after we're done with this, and hopefully after Bowman, we break in this. So anybody wants in on some basketball tonight? We got some basketball. Yeah, no payments. Push everything back. But yeah, if anybody wants in, I'll do 2 for 60 in the minis for the last 8 spots. So if 4 people want to get in, 2 for 60. I'll knock off $6 off. Top 9 get in. Garrett Wilson. Trevon Walker. Tyquan Thornton. Justin Jefferson. We breaking the baseball is after the baseball. We're going to do the NBA. After, not... Did you? Nice, Lawrence. Lawrence. Andy? I didn't even hear you. You got a nice LT. Damian Pierce. Corral. Grady Jarrett out of 50. Retro throwback, Mr. Jamar Chase. Dante Hall. Shad Bateman. Trey McBride out of 79, Arizona. Austin Eckler. Justin Herbert. Zippity Zappity. Mr. Winston. And Tristan Ebner. Bears. Arch, man. I don't know about all that. We'll see how that goes. Or 3. Depends. Zay Jones. Jalen Waddle. Michael Parsons. Antonio Gates. Box 3. Okay. Autograph right off the bat. We got a Saucy. We're filling Saucy. Jets. Nice one. Tampa, Tristan Wirfs. Travis Kelce. Shots later. Michael Vick. Brees Hall. Pierre Strong Jr. Matt Corral. A Saucy black and white. And Dexter got paid today, Lawrence. Yeah, that's crazy. It's like Bowman for football. that's what it sounds like. Tyreek Hill. Ooh. Out of 5. You my DJ. DJ Moore, Carolina. Panthers. Mr. Roberts. Joey Bosa. Donovan McNabb. Trayvon. Alec Pierce. Go to 50. Fred Warner. Out of 79. Zach Wilson. And Dak Prescott. 3 left. Okay, last box. And then right off the bat, Carolina. Mackerel. You got the green, and you got an auto. Tom Brady. Patrick Mahomes. Maurice Jones-Drew. Michael Hyde. Trevor Lawrence. Brock Purdy base. Garrett Wilson. Isaiah Spiller. Quinnen Williams. Getting trolled by Will Crunkle. Who's that? No, JR. We got well, we got Bowman next, but then I don't know what's going on for basketball, my friend. I want to see it, but Brees Hall, Alex Smith, Trevor Lawrence, Najee. Pickens, Pierre Strong Jr. out of 79. Out of 15, we got Tua. Levante, and Shannon Sharp. All right. Mackerel, Saucy, Mr. Chestnut up there for the, and J.I. Dotson. That is the 4 boxes. So congratulations, everybody. Appreciate everybody. Everybody have a great night. I'll be back tomorrow with another one. And we have more breaks on Facebook tomorrow as well. Thank y'all. Catch you up.